seen undergoing testing in the development phase. The upcoming supercar is highly likely to feature a plug-in hybrid system and makes its debut in 2020. While adorned with the typical assortment of creases and angles, the super-thin headlights bear a resemblance to those of the Ferrari SF90. Adding to the distinctive features are the massive hexagonal daytime running lights in the grille, which carry a unique and somewhat peculiar appearance, resembling rally spot lamps. In the current era of engine downsizing, this suggests that Lamborghini might be gearing up to replace the 5.2-liter V10 with a twin-turbocharged V8. However, it's important to note that the V8 is unlikely to be identical to the one found in the Urus SUV. Alternatively, there's speculation that the replacement engine will be a variant of the 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V8 used in Lamborghini's Huracan type. This particular engine achieves 680 horsepower with the assistance of an electric motor. It's worth noting that the power output is currently capped at the Automotive racing regulations, a restriction that will be out. The upcoming car will embrace a plug-in hybrid configuration, and Lamborghini CEO, has confirmed that all new PHEVs from the brand will be equipped with a dual-clutch gearbox. Although this hasn't been officially confirmed, adopting a rear-wheel drive configuration could help mitigate the increased mass from the hybrid battery. It would also ensure that the new model doesn't encroach on the territory of the Revuelto. Lamborghini has shown a preference for rear-wheel drive in its smaller supercars, exemplified by the Huracan Technical. The last iteration of the Huracan served as a fitting swan song, akin to a greatest hits compilation ever.